Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be looking at Blackberry stock. We're going to be looking at the prior day of trading, June 11th, 2021. Before we get started, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but just for education and entertainment purposes. So, looking at the chart for Friday, we could see that we had another volatile day. We ended at $14.18, and we could see it was overall, the stock was higher earlier in the week, but we ended strong above $14, up slightly, up 29 cents. And although we were basically down for the week, we could see on the 5-day that we got up to $17 and then consistently went lower as the week went on. But this really isn't bad news, guys, because as we could see, we did test this 1350 support down here, and we didn't fall below it. We stayed above that support, which is great news. It's what we've said in the past. As long as we could stay above that 1350 support, that's fantastic. If we could consolidate above it as we've been doing, great. That's great. And we could see on the 1 month, as we know, we had that giant spike up to $20 with all the Reddit stocks. And then we've kind of been hanging out below that $13.50 to $17 channel, which we've held. So the fact that we held it is fantastic. I think it bodes well for the stock going forward. And I think Blackberry is going to continue to run along with a lot of these other Reddit stocks in the coming week. And again, as the other stocks have done as well, we'll probably have some red days, have some green days. But overall, I think we're really well positioned. And not just because of the whole Reddit craze, because unlike a lot of the other Reddit stocks, Blackberry, they really do have a sound comeback plan. They really are making progress in terms of getting their cybersecurity business going, in terms of creating these partnerships. We talked the other day about their partnership with Chagan, the Chinese auto manufacturer, and we've spoken in the past too of their partnership with Amazon Web Services, which is fantastic. And now also they've been partnering with Baidu, so they already have a strong presence in the Chinese market. They have a strong presence in the US market with Amazon and other companies. So from a financial perspective, whatever you might say about these other Reddit stocks, BlackBerry really does have a lot of potential to turn it around. And as we've also said in the past, their CEO has a financial stake. If the stock had hit $30, then he'll get a $90 million bonus. So, he has every intention as well to keep the stock going higher and not to dilute the shares, which we've seen with AMC and Express. And, for better or worse for the company, that's just going to, at least in the short term, keep the stock price lower. So we haven't seen that with BlackBerry, which is great. So this week, I think we are going to have a good week in terms of the stock price for BlackBerry. I'll be really curious to see on Monday if we open up or down. But either way, I think that we are going to stay above the 1350. We've already tested it and had a bit of a bounce off of it into the $14 range on Friday. And if we could just keep above it and consolidate above it, I mean, we're just going to go higher from there. Then we're going to be looking to test that $17 range, which I think we'll have a chance to do it this week, but time will tell. Let me know what you think, what BlackBerry is going to do this week, if the stock's going to go up, if it's going to go down. I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments below. Hope everyone has a great rest of the weekend.